Hello, my name's Alex and I've got a bit of a project I want to start. So if you can see here, I'll spin you around. We've got my Yamaha DT 125 and this thing has not been run in probably 15 years. And I think it's not bad condition considering where it's been left for that time, and it's not run at all. But my aim is to restore this back to its former glory. Catch is, I have no idea on motorbikes really. I'm not a mechanic. Got some transferable skills, but it's basically going to be a big learning curve for me. And yeah, we'll see where it goes. But you know, I'll strip it down, I think, and we'll change all the necessary things. I know it's going to need new wheel bearings because this thing is hard to push along. But yeah, we'll break it down and go from there.